Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuri Sabina binti Muhammad Alfi. My meeting number 265204. So today I'm going to give a big explanation about conflict analysis on topic Central Kalimantan conflict between Madura and Dayak ethnic. So what is conflict analysis? So conflict analysis is one of the method to get to understand the flow of the history. But before that, I will explain a bit history of the conflict. So Central Kalimantan conflict was started in 1990 in Sambas, Indonesia, and continue in Central Kalimantan in 2001. The conflict was involved two ethnic, which is Madura and Dayak ethnic. So one of the reasons why the conflict was happened, it is because the transmigration program, which is under Suharto government. So back to the conflict analysis. The purpose of conflict analysis to analyze the conflict using a few methods to get understand. So to understand and to analyze the conflict in Central Kalimantan, Indonesia is the suitable way or the best guide of understanding the issue through the adaptation of conflict theory. Okay, now to explain the conflict analysis on topic Madura and Dayak ethnic, the conflict tree can be the perfect illustration for another step to understand the conflict in Central Kalimantan, which involve the Dayak community and also Maduris people, which is the newcomer in Central Kalimantan. So what is conflict tree? Conflict tree is the perfect illustration for another step to understand the conflict in Central Kalimantan, which is involve two ethnic consists of Madura and Dayak ethnic. So in conflict tree has each part to explain the conflict. For example, the root of the tree is representing the causes of the conflict. In the case of Central Kalimantan conflict, interstate conflict happened because of transmigration program and also local social economy. Suharto government has ordered Maduris people migrated to Central Kalimantan for improve the economy. However, the issue become misunderstanding for Dayak people, which is Dayak people has assumed that Maduris people want to steal their job and their land. Because of misunderstanding between two ethnic, this led to the horrible treatment that faced by Maduris people, the harassment, killing, and also cannibal that caused the death of numerous lives. The core root problem has led the conflict ongoing for years. The most significant time frame of the conflict between 1966 and until 2001. Okay, now I will move to the part of the branch of the tree. So the part of the branch represents all the causes that prove the conflict onto the bodies involved. So the ethnic conflict between Dayak and Maduris has caused a lot of problems, such as the condition of the economy to become worse, education system, the image of the Dayak community to be bad, because many people has assumed that Dayak ethnic are cruel people, and last but not least, distrust towards the law enforcement and even impact on the mental side. Okay, now I will move to the last point, which is the leaf of the tree. So the function of the leaf of the tree represent the impact of this conflict toward the parties involved. the citizen, and also international community. So the solution of approach to resolve this conflict. Kalimantan government tried the solution approach through Congress and event for reconciliation and settlement with non-violence. However, Dayak people will protest on that proposal. Even though the conflict has ending, the community environment has totally changed because of that conflict. For example, it can be seen from the people surrounding them has considered that Dayak and Maduri's people was very cruel. So in conclusion, this conflict give a huge impact to the country and also society. Okay, to conclude all of the conflict analysis, the usage of conflict tree is effective as enables the readers to see the real conflict or real scenario or real accident, how each element of the tree to represent the cause, process, and outcome, and also impacts of the conflict. Therefore, it also important to use the conflict tree because it enables to predict the scenario based on the finding and also analyze. So that's all from me. Thank you.